Welcome to Blockchain for Kids. If you're following this course, then you are definitely on the right path to mastering one of the most trending technologies in the world. Blockchain is a revolutionary technology that is changing the world as we know it. So, what exactly is a blockchain? Simply put, blockchain is a secure and decentralized ledger system that allows for storage and transfer of digital information in a way that is transparent and tamper-proof. I know it may sound complicated at first, but don't worry. This course will explain everything about blockchain in simple terms and easy to understand examples to make sure you understand blockchain like a pro. So let's understand blockchain by a simple example. Think of it like a big digital book where you can store important information like how much money you have with you or how much money you spend at a grocery store. But this book is a bit different from a regular book because this book has more than one copy. It has multiple copies stored all over the world. All the people who have access to this book can see all the information in it. Similar to you, they can also write important information in this book. And every time someone adds something to it, all the copies of the book get updated at the same time with that new information. The best part about this book is once something is written in this digital book, it cannot be changed. It's like a permanent record of all the information that's been written on it. Because we cannot change the information once added, all the users who have access to this book work hard to make sure that we add only true and accurate information. This is exactly how blockchain works. Instead of having multiple books distributed among so many people all around the world, in blockchain, we have a network of computers with the information stored in each one of them. Information added to this computer network by one party is visible to others as well. Most importantly, all the people who are using this network of computers follow certain steps to make sure the information stored in this network is true and accurate. Information added to this network of computers cannot be changed or deleted. It will be there as a permanent record. A block in a blockchain is like a container that holds information. When someone wants to add information into the blockchain, they create a block that contains this information. The block also contains a special code called a hash that helps to identify the block and link it to the previous block in the blockchain. Once the block is created, it is verified by other computers in the network to make sure it makes the rules of the blockchain. If the block is valid, it is added to the blockchain and becomes a permanent member and a part of the chain. I hope you now have a basic idea in your mind about blockchain and how it works. In this course, we will go through each one of these concepts and explore those in detail with hands-on demonstrations. But before that, I think it's best to understand what we can do with blockchain. One of the most famous uses of blockchain is for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. But did you know we can use blockchain for so much more? For example, imagine a school election where students vote for their favorite class president. In traditional voting systems, a teacher might count the votes and announce the winner. But with blockchain, each vote is marked in a blockchain and all the students can see the results in real time. This makes the voting process more secure and transparent, as no one can change or tamper with the vote once they are added. Let's see another example. Let's say a company wants to make sure the food they are selling is healthy and safe to eat. They could use a blockchain to keep track of every steps of the food's journey from the farm to the grocery store. This way, they can make sure the food is handled safely and properly, and you can trust that what you are eating is healthy and good for you. Another use of blockchain is for creating decentralized applications. This means that instead of having one big company control applications such as social media apps or games, these applications are run by lots of different people all around the world. This makes it much harder for bad guys to hack the application or for the company to do something bad with your information. There are so many use cases for blockchain. Later in this course, we will go through these use cases in detail. Now you might be thinking, that's all great, but why do I need to learn about blockchain? Well, the future of blockchain is looking very bright. According to recent studies, the blockchain industry is expected to grow rapidly in the next few years. By the end of 2023, it is estimated that the blockchain market will reach around 10 billion US dollars. But this is just the beginning. By 2025, the market is expected to nearly double, reaching around 18 billion US dollars. And by 2030, it's expected to reach an amazing 39 billion US dollars. This means that there will be many opportunities for people who know about blockchain, and the demand for skilled professionals in this field is only going to increase. So, if you learn about blockchain now, you will be ahead of the curve and well prepared for exciting future of this technology. By understanding blockchain, you will be able to play a key role in shaping its growth and development and be a part of a technological revolution that is changing the world. So don't miss this opportunity to be a part of the exciting future of blockchain.